Nice to meet you in Esterhazy Karoli Catholic University. I am Denny Junaidi from the Art Institute of Indonesia, Yogyakarta, or Institute Seni Indonesia, Yogyakarta. And now I will give presentation about YouTube for international painting studies. This is based on my experience as a content creator in YouTube. So I use YouTube for study abroad, international. I have lecture in YouTube, and the members come from besides Indonesia. I am from Indonesia. I live in Yogyakarta, but the student can come from South Korea, Malaysia, Taiwan, America, and Filipina. Maybe sometime from Eker, Hungary, sometime. Yeah. Okay, I present this one because in Indonesia, lecturer like me or Mr. Peter must have three duty. We call three dharma. Three dharma is three duty of lecturer. First is give lecture. So I give lecture in ISI Yogyakarta. The lecture name is Metode Presentasi Digital or Digital Presenting Method. And then we must give a service for people. So I create this YouTube study and for research too. Okay, this is how to use YouTube for international study. Plus, we must have YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is
Painting Explorer. Kuliahnya online, pamerannya on-site. Tidak hanya persoalan teknis dan konsep.
I have two class in this YouTube. First, it is for membership and it is for public. This is the membership of the study in YouTube, and they must join to be membership. And I have free also. I have more than 2,800 videos about painting, and this is the subscriber. How to create the painting niche? Yeah, painting niche. We must have painting niche. That is I create with artificial intelligence just for my thumbnail. Yeah, I use artificial intelligence just for my thumbnail, not my painting. How make a YouTube channel in painting niche? We have a lot of kind of content. The first, for example, is painting process. We can create demo or the demonstration of creating painting. This is the example. I use watercolor.
Hey, hello, you are still with me, Denny Junaidi. Now I will create a painting. I will use watercolor. I applied some watercolor effect, and I will tell you about the finished painting after the process. I was born in Central Java. I live in Yogyakarta, Indonesia. Now I will create watercolor painting. I will combine between watercolor effect, so it is an abstract form, and realistic form. The theme of my painting is iron. Why? Because this thing is very special. We know that iron is very useful for human life. But do you know where does it come from? Iron come from outside this earth. Because the earth cannot produce iron. Iron is produced by an exploded giant star called supernova. So iron come from outside the earth. I will use this paper, aquarelle paper, 300 gram, and the surface is rough. Okay, this is the result, my painting. The title is From Above. Iron is very unique materials. Although it cannot ignore for human life, iron do not come from this earth. This earth cannot produce that metal. Iron come from exploded giant star called supernova. In this painting, I place iron above this ancient earth. Gear and chains represent iron. My general concept or general theme is the sand down iron. This melting watercolor technique represents the sand down iron. I combine watercolor effect like wet on wet technique and realistic form. If you need the text of this painting or the photo of this painting, please visit my website islamiclandscape.com. If you have question for my painting, please write your opinion or your question below. If you have special question or private question, please send me a direct message or DM in my Instagram account at denny.painting. To update my videos, please don't forget subscribe Painting Explorer channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. See you in the next painting. The other example, I will not play all because it will bore you if you see all of my video. You can see it in YouTube, Painting Explorer. You can make explanation. I will skip this painting.
If you're a business owner,
sorry.
animated explainer videos are the best way to capture
This is not
attention.
just a demo. It is the, for example, explain the work. Yeah, like this, and then you can also create content, a painting, and plein air. Said to Mr. Peter about and plein air painting. I'm with my so there are a lot of ideas for create an painting content if you use painting niche in YouTube, or you can also use tutorial, or if you like a theory, art theory, you can explain about aesthetic, for example. Oh, sorry, I write about aesthetic book in Indonesian language. The title is Estetika, Jalinan Subjek, Objek, and Nilai, or Aesthetic, the blend of subject, object, and value. And this is for Esther Harye, Karoli, Catholic University, Mr. Peter, my book. Okay, yeah, you can use painting theory. For example, this is in Indonesia when I teach aesthetic in class. Paling artistik, paling estetis. Menurut Anda piye?
Menarik itu.
Sebuah lukisan itu
Kesan pertama pasti dari visualnya.
iya.
Karya itu misalkan visualnya bagus, cuman
Saya antropologi terus saya mengkajinya harus
Di dalam estetika itu paling tidak ada dua pendapat. Nah, menurut Anda kira-kira mana yang benar?
ada penyusunan warna di sana. Mengapa dia bisa terkenal?
Karena kita tuh karena kita ada objek.
Nah, jadinya saling kombinasi lah itu simbiosis.
Oke, silakan. Mbak siapa?
Menurut saya kan kita buat karya seni itu, tapi di saat bersamaan rasa juga muncul.
Sebuah keindahan itu nggak ada takaran pasti, nggak ada patokannya.
Jadi menurutku bersamaan dua-duanya itu dipakai.
Kita cuma tahu benda itu aja.
Ketika kita melihat sesuatu,
Silakan pindah, nggak apa-apa. Beda-beda. Nilai estetik. I asked them to discuss about beauty. Is beauty in art or in perception? Is beauty in painting or in our mind? I divided the student by two groups that said beauty in art, in object, and beauty in perception. And then they split, become three parts: objective, subjective, and the mix of subjective and objective. Or history, if you like
painting history. For example, I create content YouTube about history of Rembrandt.
Rembrandt, pelukis top dunia, hancur di puncak karir. Pelukis beken yang tercatat dalam sejarah seni rupa dunia ini justru hancur dalam kejayaan.
Or you can create painting activity, painting collaboration, painting exhibition, painting award. This is when international painting collaboration. SU. Saya isi Yogyakarta. Isi Yogyakarta. Then SU Silokan. And then UITM Malaysia. Okay.
UITM Malaysia. SU.
Isi Yogyakarta, Indonesia.
Is Mr. Danny, and he's going to help us in paintings. Give applause to everyone here.
Dengan dosen-dosen dari Thailand dan Malaysia akan melukis bersama. Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia. Maybe you with your friend create a painting collaboration. It become a nice content. Or live interaction in painting. You create a painting and you answer the question, something like this. This viewer asked me this one, discuss about painting, and I answer the question. If you create this content, live content, you not edit, you not prepare, it's very simple. But if you have a wrong, it is can be deleted. Okay, you can create painting in a live model or painting podcast. For example, podcast with friend. This is artist. You can create a podcast, podcast with a friend. It is the idea for create a painting content. And if you have a painting niche YouTube channel and you get, I think 30,000 subscriber, you can create membership program. This one, when you create YouTube for student, YouTube for studying, you can choose the student. It is public student or membership student. For example, public student, everybody can join to your program. For example, this one is a giveaway for everyone to join study about abstract painting. This is about giveaway abstract painting. First, I create a theory. For example, this one, what is the abstract art, something like this. Or you can create for membership. Membership mean you have money for someone who join your class. For example, this one, I have 5 level. First is sit in. In this one become foreign, yeah. But I write in rupiah, Indonesia. This one become foreign. This is the first level. Seni lukis sit in. They just sit, just see the lecture. Or placement, 1 month, 1 lecture for painting discussion, for painting critique. Or kuliah, or lecture about sketch and still life. Lecture elementary and advanced level. In elementary, they study about all aspect in painting, and in advanced, they study more special. In painting lecture, if you create a painting lecture in YouTube, you can create, first is introduce lecture. Introduce lecture is a video taping. You create, record, and you edit your painting. First, I give theory about what is painting, what is a composition, what is technique, etc. After that, for art painting critique, you can create a live streaming. For example, this one, I do this one live streaming. I ask the student to send the painting. They send the painting photo in Google Classroom, and I catch with OBS. Then I live in YouTube. I give point in Google Classroom. Something like this.
Kita nyatakan Mas Fauzi lulus dari kampus Seni Lukis Painting Explorer. Kalau sudah lulus, kalau ada pameran, tidak perlu lagi ikut kuliah ya, langsung pameran kan gitu ya, karena kan memang sudah lulus ya. Bisa berlayar-layar ya gitu. Itu kemungkinan yang masih sangat banyak ya. Sekarang kita ke kita pelukis profesional goresannya. Masya Allah, seniman tenan ini.
We can organize the student in WhatsApp, and then this is the tool, Google Classroom, for give the task, for they send the painting photo, and OBS or Vimic or other platform you can use it, and WhatsApp for collecting or for organizing the class. The interesting thing of this study in YouTube is the lecturer is online study, but the exhibition is on-site offline exhibition. This is the real exhibition. They come from some city, some country, and they send to Jogja. Because I live in Jogja, I held exhibition in Jogja. First exhibition, this is the live record in opening painting exhibition of Painting Explorer. They come from a lot of city. For example, this is come from more than 1,000 kilometers. They come to Jogja. The first, when he give the painting, is very, very bad. But in exhibition, it's very nice. This is the situation. This one is second painting exhibition, also in Jogja.
Terima kasih, alhamdulillah sudah bergabung di kampus seni lukis Painting Explorer. Tidak hanya dari Indonesia, tetapi ada yang dari Malaysia, ada yang dari Filipina, dan ada yang dari Korea Selatan. Bahkan ada yang dari Taiwan. Teman-teman ini disatukan oleh YouTube ya. Jadi ini disatukan oleh kuliah online di YouTube lewat YouTube Membership Painting Explorer. Mereka berkarya lewat perkuliahan untuk menghasilkan karya-karya yang bisa kita pamerkan. Welcome to Painting Explorer Channel.
Okay, that is how to create study painting in YouTube. And the third Painting Explorer exhibition opening 1st June 2024. And in the third Painting Explorer exhibition is Country in the Cloud. This is for publication. If you create the event or the lecturer, you can use Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, X, etc. This is my Instagram. Okay, that is my presentation. Thank you for visiting the lecture, and if you have some question, please don't hesitate. Because I am human, I am not AI, so I cannot answer all of questions, but I will try to answer. And if I cannot answer, it is good because I will study again to search the answer. Okay? Any question for this material? Or
do you have this personal educational program, or you can use this program at the university?
Okay. Like I say before, in ISI Yogyakarta, lecturer must have three tasks, three dharma perguruan tinggi. First is education. We must give education in campus. I teach in ISI Yogyakarta, and public service. So I teach my knowledge for public. And third is research. We must research something in my field. So my experience in YouTube become my material in ISI Yogyakarta. I teach the lecture. The name is Metode Presentasi Digital or Digital Presentation Method. I teach that, so I must have experience about presenting my artwork in a digital platform. Okay, like this. Okay, thank you, Mr. Peter. And other, or if there is no question, I will ask you. Okay. Please say your name.
It's different from this matter, but how do you like here in Hungary? What is your opinion about this country? How do you like here?
Okay. Actually, when Mr. Peter asked me to give lecture about Indonesian art history, I make a material about Western and Indonesian in painting. But after Erasmus asked me about the material, and my material must about modernization and internationalization, I changed to this material. Okay, I will ask you. What is your name? Frusi is a nice question. Indonesian art, after modernization, colonialization by Dutch in Indonesia, they bring art value. Before Dutch come to Indonesia, colonize Indonesia, in Indonesia there are some artistic value. For example, Buddhist, Hindus, Islamic era, and then Dutch come, bring Western value about painting. So if we study painting in West, there are so many style and very linear. For example, Neoclassicism, and then Romanticism, Realism, Impressionism, and then Expressionism, etc. But in Indonesia, this all style come together. So in Indonesia, we can see some style in the same era. I teach in ISI Yogyakarta Western art history. So I study about art history in Western. And my dream is come to Europe, of course. In 2000, I come to Turkey in Edirne, and I paint there. Of course, I'm very and very surprised when I come to Eger, Hungary. And I try to study that Hungary, especially Eger, have a lot of history. So, it is amazing when I can come to this place. Mr. Peter gave me a suggestion, a hotel near the campus, but it is full. So I try the hotel, and I get the hotel near the historical situs. It is a minaret hotel. It's very, very interesting. I come to there, my dream place. That is my experience. I think some student from Esterhazy Karoli study in EC also. Anyone? Oh, okay, yeah. I see you in Seni Lukis representative. Not remember the name of the lecturer. Okay.
I had two different Lukis painting. I had three or four different teachers. So,
Okay. Yeah, I hope you will come to there again, and other will come to ECU Yogyakarta also, I think. Okay, anybody else ask? If not, I will give the time to Mr. Peter.
It's okay.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Peter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Painting Explorer Channel. Rekan-rekan, hari ini tanggal 9 Mei 2024, hari Kamis, saya sedang melukis langsung and plein air di Eropa Tengah, tepatnya di Eger, Hungaria, menggunakan cat air. Sekaligus saya ingin mengundang teman-teman untuk menghadiri pameran lukisan Painting Explorer ketiga tanggal 1 Juni 2024 di Loman Park Hotel. Pembukaannya pukul 19.30 atau setengah 8 malam. Monggo teman-teman bisa mengajak saudara, mengajak teman, gratis, tidak ada tiket masuk. Rekan-rekan, saya tunggu di Loman Park Hotel dalam pembukaan pameran lukisan Painting Explorer ketiga dengan tema Negeri di Cloud. Senimannya adalah seniman-seniman Painting Explorer atau Civitas Academica Painting Explorer yang mengikuti kelas kuliah seni lukis Advance, dan juga ada seniman tamu. Seniman tamunya ini terdiri dari dosen seni lukis dari ISI Yogyakarta, dosen seni lukis dari Institut Kesenian Jakarta atau IKJ, dan juga mahasiswa ISI Yogyakarta. Teman-teman, saya undang hadir ke pameran lukisan Painting Explorer dengan tema Negeri di Cloud di Loman Park Hotel. Terima kasih. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.